Hi, my name is Amber Enlow, and today I'm going to be going over my phonemic awareness lesson plan. This is a first grade lesson, and it should take about 25 minutes. The teacher objective is to demonstrate how to segment spoken single syllable words into their complete sequence of individual sounds. The behavioral objective for the students is to be able to identify and pronounce beginning, middle, and ending sounds with 85% accuracy, and the Bloom's is knowledge for this. I will begin my lesson by reviewing onsets and rhymes with the class. I will ask these questions. What is the onset in the word cat? What is the rhyme? And then I'll also have them give me another word that has the same rhyme as the word cat. The purpose of this lesson is to have students recognize sounds from all parts of a single syllable word. Continuity is last week we worked on identifying onsets and rhymes, and today we will identify sounds from the beginning, middle, and end of words. In the future, we will learn how to change the initial or beginning sound to create new words. So for the motivation, I will begin showing the students this video, and it's rather long, and the first half of it isn't relevant to this lesson, so I'm just going to begin it right here in the middle.
Look at me, my name is E. Bet you haven't met a better letter yet. I'm the busiest letter in the alphabet. E, that's me. E can make a
He can make it red.
Okay, so that video just shows them that how to break apart a word by sounds, and then it also gives them a preview into changing initial sounds to make new words. So after we watch that video, I would explain how to identify beginning, middle, and ending sounds using the 1, 2, 3 method, and I will show you guys the video, but I'm not going to actually show the students this video.
Let's take a look at beginning sounds. Listen for the beginning sound in the word dog. I hear d, aw, g. I use my fingers to represent the sounds as a visual for students to associate the different sound placements. The first sound that I hear in the word is d. D is the first sound in dog. I would then have students do another example with me. Now say the word cat. As I say the sounds, I do it on my fingers. The sounds in cat are k, at. Students say the sounds with me and do it on their fingers. Do the sounds with me. K, at.
Okay, so like I said, I won't show them that video, but I will do that exercise with them, and then we will also use the exercise for probably 5 single syllable words just until they get the hang of it, and then I might also call on individual students to do it just to assess how they are understanding it. So after we get done with that exercise, I will provide a copy of sound boxes to each student along with some counters. We will be using these sound boxes, and in this packet it actually provides sound boxes with 3, 4, or 5 boxes, but since we're doing single syllable words, we will just need the 3 boxes for beginning, middle, and end. And they will use the counters and move one counter in the beginning box for the beginning sound, and then the middle box for the middle sound, and then the last box for the ending sound. And for that, I will begin by showing the students a picture of an item that is a single syllable word. I won't tell them the word. They will just be shown a picture, and actually on the picture it won't even show the words. So I'll show them a picture of a can, a hat, and a cat, and so on. And it'll be up to them to figure it out, and then we'll share. And then after that, we will use actual words, like cut, sit, pan, mad, hop, but I won't show them a picture with this, and they will be instructed to move the counters into the box in which it belongs. And then after we do the picture and then the words, I will go with saying a single syllable word. So they won't have any visual, no words or pictures, and they will just go by listening to determine which sound belongs where. So after we get done with the sound box activity, I will go over the example of the 1, 2, 3 fingers, and we'll do a couple more examples, and then this is the closure. Then I'll give them, okay, so for the closure, I will give each group a set of 6 cards, and in the set there are going to be matches for beginning sounds, middle sounds, and ending sounds. And the students will be instructed to find the match. So for an example, dad and dog, they will be a match for beginning sounds. Peg and log will be a match for ending sounds, and sun and hut will be a match for middle sounds. Let's see. Okay, so and then after they do that, I'll ask them some questions like, how did you know what picture cards belong together? Name another word that could be added to each group, the beginning, middle, and end. And then for the homework, we'll have the matching letter sounds worksheet, which is this. So the beginning sounds, like the W, will be matched with the watermelon, and the F would be matched with the fish. And then they'll have one for the middle sounds. Cap would be matched with an A. And then the ending sounds, the cat will be matched with the T. So that will be their homework. Now, for the early finishers, if they get done with the closing activity of matching the 6 cards, they will have a listen closely worksheet where they will read each word and then count the number of sounds they hear, and then they'll write the number by that word in the blank line. And then at the bottom, they will write a sentence using 2 of the words. So for the special needs, the students with reading disabilities, they'll work with the para for hearing and saying sounds, and the student that is an English language learner will work one-on-one with the teacher to practice sounds of letters. For remediation, the students who need it will be put into a small group to practice the sound box activity with the assistance of the para. For the students who have the understanding and don't need the remediation, they will work on the Let's Write worksheet, which is going to be where they write a sentence about 2 of the pictures that begin with the same sound. So they'll write a sentence about a book and a boot, and they'll underline the words, and then the 5 and the fish. And that will be it.